What is up, everybody? So today we will be catching catfish on Cookout seasoned fries. Seems legit. Okay, so we made it.
Oh, here, you get the tackle box right close. Not responsible for accident. See that, Ethan? I've never noticed that. I've come out here a lot. So what are you trying to catch first?
I'm gonna go for some cats.
Are you catching them first?
Yeah, I'm gonna catch some brim and then toss it out there. Okay, give us a second, we'll get set up. Got a
Bring it
catfish
on
on
up.
the
On the French fry, baby.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let me go grab
Look at that. I got him.
You sure?
I got him. Don't worry about it. Come here.
You
Come here. Hold the pole. Yes, I am. Stop. Look at his mouth. They have teeth just like the bass does, don't they?
Yeah.
Is he gonna bite me?
I had about a 3-pounder over there. What
A
you said you
bass?
had?
You punk. I ain't got it.
Got one.
Yeah.
First one on the board. Let's weigh it.
Numero uno. This one's got. He's freaking out.
Got a crankbait on those.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Probably about 2, 3, 4.
Maybe. I'm gonna go with 3 pounds.
3 pounds? Alright.
3 pounds.
That's what we'll say. There it goes.
They said it couldn't be done.
On the Cookout French Fries.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try again.
Alright. It's a good sized little fish right there, dude. We got our first bass of the day on a dead brim?
Dead brim, yeah.
Dead brim.
It's dead.
Pretty good, decent sized fish. In a way.
Yeah.
Trying to watch those rods over there. What are we looking at? Nice. Good job.
I ain't flopped around like that,
That's what Ethan does in his spare time. Screw it up. Everything. Oh man, you want me to hold the fish?
Yeah, just hold it right there. It was over 2.6, I could see that.
I don't know.
Oh.
2-1. 2-2?
2-2.
We got 2-2 going on. Pretty decent fish, Ethan.
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
Nice going. Caught him over there.
Take a look.
Side.
We're not about to weigh this thing. He's
Nah,
only
it's
like
too small.
1.5 pounds,
Yeah.
maybe 2 pounds. So just let him go. You want to get a release?
Yeah.
He's off.
Yeah.
We got a cat on here.
Let's see.
Oh, he's pretty big.
That
Holy
rod bend
flipper.
though. Hard eye
Pretty
emoji.
decent sized catfish, Ethan.
Ooh,
That's a pretty good
it's
one.
a nice one.
Holy
Whoa.
cow, he's bigger than
Yeah.
I thought.
Let me go grab these
Let me tire him out.
Let me grab the clippers. Here
Tire
you.
him out. Yeah, he's pretty big.
We'll measure him and everything. Ooh, God. Yeah, he's huge. Bigger than I expected.
Holy crap, he's pretty decent size, dude.
French fry again?
For a pond catfish.
French fry again?
Yep, French fry. For a pond catfish, he's not bad.
Yeah.
Definitely not bad.
French fries work, I'm telling you. Nah, he's close to it. Alright.
Get him.
Oh, I had it.
Huh?
Open up.
Hold on, man.
I don't want to lose him.
You're not gonna leave him.
Alright.
Got him? Bring him on up. I got him. Ooh, why does this hook get every one of them through the eye? Every time. I just decided.
I figured you'd catch one on the food.
I just decided to throw it out there, man. He liked it. He liked what he saw. He's not very big, but still.
It's not bad. That's pretty much it from the McKays. Not as good of a day as we had hoped. Good enough.